Hello students, I welcome you all in this video. In this video, we're going to talk about a question which is from Eurodov, one of the good book in physics. But this question is very easy. We can do this question very easily, right? What's the question? The question is this: a point traversed half of the distance with a velocity v0 and remaining part of the distances was covered with a velocity v1 for half time and with v2 for other half time. Then mean velocity of the point averaged over the whole time of the motion is what? Means we have a segment here. Try to understand the question first of all. The question is this. We are having a track. This track is basically divided into two equal parts, right? This point is A, the middle point is B, and this point is C. So A to B distance, it's suppose if you take the distance is D, this distance will also be D, right? And here the object is going with a velocity V0. But if you talk about from B to C, there's equal time segment. Let us say this point is D. So the object is going from B to D and object is taking same time T to go from B to D and same time from D to C again. And here the object is moving with V1 and here the object is moving with V2. And then you need to find out the average velocity for entire motion. Now how to do it? We know one thing, whenever we have equal time, right? For equal time, we know that V average is going to be V1 plus V2 by 2. If you have V1, V2 are the two different speed. And for equal distances, V average is going to be 2V1, V2 by V1 plus V2. So this concept I'm going to use here. First of all, let us find out the average velocity from D to C. That I will take as the value X. And then I will say, okay, from A to B and B to C, this is the equal segment. So I will use V1 as V0 and V2 as X. And then I will say 2V1, V2 by V1 plus V2 is the average speed, right? Let us find out the X. X value is very easy to find out. This is V1 plus V2 by 2 because that is for the equal time interval. Now, if you talk about the entire motion, the velocity average is going to be 2V0 X by V0 plus X, right? So let us take that value here. The V average is going to be 2 times V0 times X, which is V1 plus V2 by 2, and that by V0 plus V1 plus V2 by 2, right? So what we can do here, this 2 and 2 get cancelled out, right? So in numerator, what we are having? We are having V0 into V1 plus V2. That by here I can take LCM in the denominator, that is 2V0 plus V1 plus V2, and that whole by 2, so 2 will shift up. So here we have 2, and that is the average velocity, right? So now finally we got this as the answer. Let us check which option is correct. First option not correct, not correct. Fourth option is correct because this is 2V0 V1 plus V2 by 2V0 plus V1 plus V2. So this option is correct, right? So the fourth option is the correct one. So that is how we can solve this kind of question easily. You can see this question is from Eurodov, but we can use simple method to solve the question quickly. I hope you like it. Thank you.